taking off from a stop, same thing, very slow, let those wheels get moving underneath you. Last thing you want to do is over accelerate on slick surfaces. Your wheels are going to spin in a way that you're not expecting them to, and that's not good. Okay. All right, so riding around in the rain, what are we going to do? We're going to take things a little bit slower, right? On this right turn up here, we're going to brake early. We're going to brake early. We're going to come to a stop because we know we're going to slide a little bit, and that's normal. And we're just going to accelerate out. Especially on those newer painted roads, or newer laid roads, they're going to be a little slipperier, a little more slippery. Or if you're coming to a stop on paint, it's going to be slippery. So give yourself extra time to brake. Your bike will not respond in the same way as when it's dry. It's much more dramatic than driving in the rain. And this is California rain, so I know a lot of places have much worse rain than we do, but we don't get rain all that often, so when we do get it, it's very slick because there's a lot of oil buildup in the roads.